okay? Weight reduction gang, baby. You guys already know the vibes. We're here at Best Buy. I gotta get a new mic because you guys yelled at me, said my mic is some dookie. I do need to fine tune that mic though, because that shit was like 250. So, but if not, I'm gonna get the new Rode. It's like a Rode. It's kind of like the one I have for my Sony. We're gonna see if Best Buy has them. Just have to walk around with this.
I mean,
damn, never mind.
I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea, but.
Hopefully it sounds good. Mic testy, microphone checky. What's going on, guys? So today, I think I saw a video similar to this. I don't remember where, maybe like Facebook or I don't know. But what I want to do today is go and get some wine glasses. And if you guys follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or whatever, links are right here if you don't. I want to see if we could break a wine glass with the decibelizations of my exhaust. So we're gonna find somewhere to go get wine glasses. Where do we go get wine glasses at?
Dollar store or Walmart.
I feel like Walmart would be kind of expensive.
Dollar store. They're $1.
Is there a dollar? Oh, there's a Dollar General right down the street. So we're gonna head to Dollar General and see. Ooh, and also I could donate those clothes to, because there's a Goodwill right there, because I have to get rid of these clothes. So we're gonna do that, donate some clothes, you feel me? See if we can bust some glass with the Cadillac.
Whoa, you said whoa? Oh, give him the beans, give him the beans. Nice.
He doesn't want the beans. He just doesn't want them. I have so many beans right now. And he has a Jaguar and I have a Hellcat, basically, pretty much. Sir. Sir! Your keys are in your door. Your keys are in your door. Your keys. Your keys are in your door. I'm just joshing you.
I'm just on my way to the top. Already forgot where the bottom is, and I gotta.
Yeah, what you know about the parking? We got the VIP parking spot right here. We from New York. We wear Timberlands. Your keys are in the door, sir. Sir, the keys are in the door. Excuse me. Your keys are in the door.
Keys are in the door. That's the door.
What? All right, we in the section. All right, we got a martini glass. That seems pretty thick. We need. Oh, here we are.
Those, yeah.
You need. Welcome to Dollar General. Or oh dang,
Bro, this is Dollar Tree.
This is Dollar Tree. So we need one of these. This one's.
I mean, that was pretty. That's a thickie.
Let's find some thinner ones. We should get some. I want to get a couple like 2-liter Cokes and we'll make them fly.
With Mentos?
No, we don't need Mentos. Dang, this is more than a 2-liter. These are big. This is almost a 3-liter. Bruh, I'm gonna get 2 of these. We'll let them rip. I think these will break. Well, no, I'm saying like maybe. Well, no, so say if you like put it behind a car with a really loud exhaust, you think it'll break? Thanks for believing in me.
Is that your aim? Oh.
Well, yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh. Yeah, I want to see if these will break. Dude, that was a full 10. That was a full. Oh, oh, that's a full send right there.
Oh my god.
Right in the back of this TSI. Seems like it's going to be a little bit more thinner. This one's a little bit thicker. So we're going to try these first. I'm going to put them at the cutouts because that's where the most flames kind of come out. So we're going to. I'm in a white shirt and I have to get on the ground. How are we going to do this? Alright. Okay, they're right here. So they're not that far away. Oh, I just hit my exhaust. I just got dirty. I'm gonna put this one right here. My man's Berto. He just helps. This is what you guys gotta do. This man supports the channel more than you guys. And all you have to do is like and comment, okay? This guy's getting on the ground in the cold.
Freezing my ass off.
So that we could get this shot. So we're gonna just try to zoom in on the glasses. We're gonna start this car up. See what the heck goes down.
Yo, a lady just fell. It didn't break, but it just rolled over to your wheel. And that was it.
All right, attempt 2. Let's get it.
Attempt number 3.
Attempt number 3. We're just gonna launch it off.
Hurry up.
We gotta pick up this glass so nobody runs it over. This stuff is super thin though, for sure. Put all this glass up. Yeah, I'm definitely wearing the wrong sweater for this, but I'm just gonna launch it too.
Yeah.
Let's shake it up.
Shake it, shake it.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar!
It didn't go anywhere. It just exploded it. Well, mine didn't really go as planned. It just kind of exploded. Berto, throw it like a football against the wall. See if you can get it hit the tip and fly away.
Allah Akbar!
Boy.
Allah Akbar!
Oh shit. I don't think these want to have good projection. It just squirted. We won't drink it though. So.
Allah Akbar!
Yo, Berto, okay?
Ew.
Okay.
Ew.
Well, the bottle. I want to get 2 liters. I'm gonna try 2 liters this time with actual Diet Coke because these 3 liters suck. I think it's just because the tips are really small, so like the trajectory it doesn't allow it to go higher. But look at this car, man. Even though she's dirty, she's still pretty clean. You don't need a battery, dog.
Oh shit.
You just gotta fold this up, and then we can drift this. You gotta hit the dirt pit, or the water pit, the Coke pit. You know what I'm saying? So it gets a little bit more power to it.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna switch.
Here we go. Alrighty. So this is how. Let me show you real quick. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bitch, I'm getting bags. Pull up in some shit you never had. And a seat mixed with black. Turn around, bitch, shake that ass.
Quick tip if you guys would like to make some extra money, right? So you come to Walmart or whatever, you grab something. This says $9.88, right? So you scan the bottom here on eBay and you see what they're going for. $17.99, $17.40. Some of 18. So what you do is you go to filter, you go to show more, you go to sold items, and that's what they're going for, about 17, 18 bucks. You almost double your profits right here with all these, man.
Yes, sir. Good shot.
Hey, thank you.
Good
Nice.
shot. Just missed me.
Alrighty, here we go. Kids.
They're just crazy.
A few moments later.
Help! Somebody help me! Help me! Help me! Ah! It smells like pizza in here.
Hey, yo. I'm fucking dead. I need you to get out of there now, please. Is this your
Step out of my store.
Why is she so fucking tight for, bro?
Right.
Oh my god.
You get a butt ache.
What happened? Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, but OnlyFans?
OnlyFans.
Yeah, that's what we do, OnlyFans.
Get her. Get that.
You can follow my channel.
Facts, doesn't get the
I
carrots.
didn't even know she was next to me when I said that. She was like,
Bro, she was on the phone.
Not even, she had like a whole scanner thing.
Bro, she was walking on the phone, having a full conversation, and yo, your feet were just dangling.
Yeah.
And she had like the resting bitch face.
Did you record it?
Absolutely, bro. Yo, if you bust your fucking nose open, bro, I'ma die.
You scared? Come on, Bertie!
You in first or leaving in second?
First.
First? Alright.
Yeah.
I can't do it again now.
Send it.
Hold on, I gotta get the phone down. Damn it, bro. What the fuck? Alright, club kick.
Try starting out in a burnout.
Huh?
Try starting out doing like a burnout and then kick it.
Never done a burnout, bro.
Yeah.
He did his first drift, you feel me? Happy as shit. Never done it in this car. First time I ever owned this car, and I've never done it before. It's the first time I ever done it. You're about to.
All right, well that audio was jacked up. We had no audios on Berto's run. I got a new lens on, that's why it's all up in my face. But he said he's gonna send it one more time because that's what we do. We send things around here. So with the audio this time. Rev it up. Rev it up. You know we had to get some new tires. We're here at Jay's Discount Tire right on, what is this, 95. They got some pretty good tires for pretty good deals, so, and they're pretty quick when they change the tires. You don't gotta sit there and wait for like 2 hours just to get some tires. So if you guys want some good tires, you guys should come here. Like I said, they're quick, good prices, and good tires too. I just like it here too because I just shred my tires. I shred them. I shred them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to my man Zberto. Go follow him on Instagram if you want to see more of his car. He's gonna fix it up a little bit because he hit a deer. He hit a deer, so his car looks a little goofy. But
it is what it is.
Once we get it fixed, we're gonna be back out. Might learn how to drift a little bit. So comment, rate, subscribe, guys.
Buy more merch.
Buy more merch. I don't have it on right now because I'm lacking, but I'm out there to cop some more different colors and all that. But yeah, Caddy's gonna be getting right here soon. Hopefully, I'm gonna do. I got a lot planned for this car, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.
Getting bags, pull up in some shit you never had. And a seat mixed with black.